you how you can check your WAEC result using SMS. So just follow me as I share this simple suggestion with you. Before I proceed, here are the frequently asked questions. People are asking, what is EP? And where can I buy EP? How many times can I check my WAEC result? But I will share with you how you can use SMS to check your WAEC result. So just follow me. Before we get into using SMS, let me show you the simple way to check your WAEC result using your data. Just log on to, I'm sure you're paying attention, log on to www.waecdirect.org. www.waecdirect.org. If you want me to send it to you, just let me know. If you want me to help you to check your WAEC result, just let me know. www.waecdirect.org. Okay. So it will take you to this page. Here is what you see. You see where you put your exam number. You already know your exam number. Here is you put your year, 2024, any other year. Private candidate, no. You must click and select school candidate because you're a school candidate. Put your PIN, put your serial number. Once you do that, you click on submit. That is, this method is for checking your WAEC results online. But actually, what I want to share with you in this particular video is how to check your WAEC result using SMS. Before we get into that, ensure you like this video. Like this video, then watch this video to the end, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial. Just click on subscribe immediately. Then when you subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch this video to the end, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Once I know you're subscribed, I will chat you up. I or my staff will chat you up. Then we'll begin to guide you if you need us to check the WAEC result for you. If you want me to check the WAEC result for you, you just let me know. If you need any guidance for WAEC, NECO, or JAMB, you also let us know. Okay, to check your WAEC result using SMS, remember, first thing you need to know is that the code for checking the WAEC result online is 32327. So first of all, you need to check, look, this is the format. Your WAEC, you will type WAEC, then you type star, star your exam number, star your PIN, star your exam year. For instance, if you wrote your WAEC in 2024, you write, just type WAEC in capital letters, you can see it here. You press star. You now press your exam number, you now press your PIN, then you now press 2024. Once you press it, send it as a text message to 32327, number 32327. If you're using MTN, Celtel, Glow, it will go. Just look at this example. WAEC, exam number, your PIN, and your year. Once you send it, remember, there should be no space. Remember also that they will charge you 30 naira for this. So ensure you have 30 naira in your phone before you do this. Basically, remember, like I said, for checking your WAEC on online, just waecdirect.org. This is it. Enter 10-digit exam number. Enter the 4 digits of exam year, 2024, 2022, any year. Select your exam type, school type, or if you wrote WAEC GC, it will be private candidate. Enter your ePIN voucher, your serial number. Enter your personal identification number, PIN, in your exam checker. Click on submit and wait for the result. But if you are using, I'm repeating it for emphasis, if you don't have data and you want to just check through SMS, just send WAEC, capital letter, star, exam number, star, your PIN, star, your exam year, and send it to 32327. Remember, like I always say, you must have 30 naira in your credit, because each of the SMS you send, they will charge you 30 naira. Remember, like I always say, you must have had your exam card. Your exam card should contain your name, your reg number, your exam number, your serial number, your passport. If you don't have, then you have to go and buy WAEC scratch card. have to go to any cyber cafe or WAEC center near you and buy scratch card. Remember, if you want us, I or my staff, to help you to check your WAEC result, just inform me and let me know. We wish you all the best.